why we don't have any boat speed through the water, because this paddle wheel is stuck with all this animals growing on it. Look at that, you can't even hardly turn it.
Wow. We haven't been out this early before. It's about 6:30 and we're about ready to launch our second leg of the CABO Bound trip. Good morning.
We got about a 50-mile slog to our next destination. And it was a little bit rolly last night. We didn't have any southern swells, but we had some west wind. And so the wind kept us kind of perpendicular to the waves that did happen. And so we got slapped around a little bit. Our hull was pretty noisy last night.
It was a great place to stop. I mean, it's a perfect 1/3 into the trip to Cabo, so that's pretty nice.
Yeah, yesterday couldn't have been better. We did 51 nautical miles and made it in time for a glass of wine before the sun went down.
Yeah,
it was fantastic.
It was perfect.
Too bad our instruments don't work. It says our boat speed is 24 knots.
Oh, and there goes the depth, any minute alarm.
And since the depth is like 800 feet right here, the depth wigged out and it's flashing.
And there it goes. That's what we get to deal with all the time. Yesterday we had autopilot shut off twice. I don't know, but we're out in the big blue. We have a destination in mind. The weather really is quite nice. Hopefully we'll make it to Cabo tomorrow. Could not ask for better weather. It's a beautiful day. Well, this is exciting. Wow, he's pretty. Babe, good job! Our first catch!
Yeah, baby.
That's awesome! Oh, how do you feel?
Cool, I wish I knew what it was. We're gonna eat it though.
Yeah, hopefully
Don't care.
it's good. Oh, man.
It's awesome. 24 and a half. Wow. Big boy fillet right there.
What time is it? 6:45, and we've just raised our anchor and we are heading on the third leg of our trip to Cabo. Amazing that we've made it this far. Oh my gosh, it's been a interesting couple of days. Very, very long days. Yesterday we were unable to put not a single sail out because there was not a breath of wind the entire time. It was quite beautiful though and very relaxing. We still made over 7 knots almost the entire time with our beautifully running engine. But you got to see the sky. Oh my gosh. What an incredible morning. We've just seen 3 or 4 whales breaching way off in the distance, tails straight up in the sky. Just beautiful out here. It is really great to be out this early in the morning, watch the sunrise, quiet everywhere around, and just watch the wildlife. Epic morning. This is the one that brought us in that tuna yesterday?
It's my new favorite. Cedar plug with the hook. You wouldn't think this would catch anything, but it's the one.
Oh, fish on for real? What in the? Oh,
mahi.
you got mahi! Oh my gosh! That's amazing! Oh, babe, mahi and a tuna in 2 days. This is amazing. Look at that beautiful boy. Wow. Okay, I want to do one more picture. That's beautiful. Gosh, congrats, babe.
Thank you.
36.
A week's worth of mahi.
Oh, baby. Now you gotta fix my fridge and freezer. I'm running out of room.
We're in San Jose del Cabo. 17 more nautical miles to Cabo San Lucas. But her folks are flying into SJD and so they're 15-minute bus ride away coming in tomorrow. So we'll stay here for the night. Maybe we'll anchor out outside the breakwater here at the marina. We're gonna go get a little fuel at the fuel dock.
It was an epic day today.
Yeah.
Whales breaching everywhere at the same time. My husband's yelling, "Fish on!" I didn't know what to record. The whales breaching, tails in the air, or this mahi-mahi that's flying out of the ocean. Oh, it was so great.
Yeah, and so we got the refrigerator packed full of a lot of food right now. I ate as much as I could last night, but man, I couldn't even eat half that.
Made it to the fuel dock. Now all we have to do is find someone to come and get us some fuel. We radioed him in several times and no one answered, and there's no one around. There was a security guard that helped us tie off the boat, which was nice that he came to do that. Then he blamed us for the fuel leak. This is really gross and definitely not us. Man, look at that rock back and forth. Unbelievable. Good.
Hey, Chris.
Hello.
Look at all that hair.
Welcome to Mexico.
Absolutely.
We're on the table. Are you guys hungry?
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
go inside. Yeah.
My family's here.
We never make.
I know it's a long day, huh?
Yes.
Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers, you guys. Thank you. Cheers. Let's see what you're gonna get us for dinner tonight. Okay, let's see. Here it is. What is it?
Too little. Let's put him back. He can grow.
Here. What in the world are you guys doing?
We got a better view up here.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's like a whitewater ride at Disneyland.
Oh yeah, it's all good.
This is great, you guys. Okay, we're at the arches. We made it. Yay! This is so great. It's absolutely beautiful here and very, very crowded, but it's so beautiful. Oh, cool. Baby. Mexican food.
Yeah, baby.
We recently found out that our bilge pump in the dinghy hasn't been working. So we're doing a last minute repair job while we're at the docks in Cabo. Thankfully, there's a chandlery not too far off the Dinghy dock, and we were able to find all the parts we needed. So here's hoping we get the bilge pump working and get rid of the gallons and gallons of water we took on this morning during a bit of an episode at the beach. Still working on that bilge pump?
Yeah.
And you're the assistant?
Yes, I am expert assistant.
Excellent.
Actually, I'm supervising now that I think about
Oh,
it.
supervising. All right. This is what anchoring in Cabo is like. Rocking back and forth, back and forth. Constant motion, never stopping. Cabo is very beautiful though. I love you. Fish, broccoli, mashed potatoes. We have left anchor in Cabo San Lucas. Today we're going to head towards San Jose del Cabo as my family is preparing to take off in the next few days. And we want to maybe get out, maybe see some more whales today, do a little fishing. And before we do so, we're going to go around El Arco and see what the Pacific looks like this morning.
Go, 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 go.
Right here. Oh my gosh. Right there, look you guys. Just turned the engines off and we are still going over 7 knots. We've got only one sail out. We've got a beautiful tailwind, which is so unusual for Chris and I. We always get headwinds everywhere we go. It's a beautiful day for Mom and Dad to take them out sailing. We just saw a sailfish jump out of the water like 10 times right behind the boat. It was beautiful. We've seen dolphins on the starboard. We've seen whales on the port. It's been an incredible morning and we're not even finished. We just put a line out and we're hoping to catch some fish too. Fish on, peeps! Woohoo! Fish on! Woohoo! Yeah, puppy. Jeez, don't trip. Oh, you're out of line. Oh, that's a good one. Woo! Nice! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh, yay! We've got 20-25 knot winds on our tail still. It's interesting having no motors on, sails out, and we got a fish on. Plus I got whales popping up at the same time. But trying to slow the boat down and reel in a fish and turn the motors back on. Anyway, it's been interesting. It's been a pretty fun morning. A little stressful though, I will say. A little stressful. Definitely the scariest moment I've had in my life. We were in almost close to 30 knot winds and the seas were pretty big. I mean, our boat bottom of the pulpit was in the water. Come up and back down and slamming. It was going this way and this way and this way and that way, and it was terrifying. I'm still feel jittery. We just pulled into the fuel dock, and praise God there was no one else at this dock. When we were here last week, it was loaded with boats. We could barely squeeze in just to get fuel, and now we are here in an emergency, and thank God there's no one here at the dock, so we were able to pull over for a bit. And we're gonna go ahead and rent a space, $180 for a mooring for one night, and there's no power. They only have 110. I guess they have water, but we're not even gonna hook up because we're just here for an emergency. That was really scary. I'm not sure I'm cut out for this kind of life, to be completely honest. The time leading up to these moments was epic. Whales, dolphins, marlin jumping 10 times out of the water right behind our boat. It's incredible. Catching a giant tuna on our way in, it was just beautiful. And then the winds picked up more, the seas got bigger, and we're trying to get into an anchorage, and things are crashing all over down below the boat, crashing, breaking glasses, stuff is flying off of places that have never moved before, and yeah, I'm so happy to be here at a fuel dock where we can rest for the night.
Old man in the sea.
You caught some sun.
I did. Notice that.
Wow. This is beautiful. It's cold water. You cold, Maxie?
Rough life. Yellow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you very much.
Gracias, mi amor. Cheers. Tink,
Cheers.
tink. Cheers.
Cheers.
Aww.